I'm an FPV for 5 years and they are obviously not my first FPV analog goggles, but I feel so excited. I don't know why, but I do. Let's open it and see what is inside. Alright, here we go. Skyzone 04X Pro. Somebody can say that it wastes fucking money to buy an analog goggles in the end of 2024. It doesn't make any sense, but for me it does. And let me explain what I mean. So, of course there are analog goggles and they cost not less than DJI goggles. For example, I'm not going to refusing a digital system, I love my drones on O3 unit, but it is not always possible to fly something like 5-inch drones. Recently I have been traveling a lot. I lived in different countries and different continents, and if you want to fly constantly and often, it is not always possible. Different countries and different rules. And also different conditions. I am 105 drone freestyle drone pilot, but today it looks like next to impossible for me. And right there, the solution for me is this small drone, tiny wood. Like this one or this one will be drone. That is why it makes sense for me. Now let's go and remind how to fly. Today is definitely not the best day for outdoor flight, but it is what it is. So I had already Fat Shark HGO2 and I could say I have never tried Skyzone, but it feels something like new for me. Of course this still requires buying other antennas. The antennas already ordered, maybe replacing the strap, but now it's cool, it is go back to analog again. That small guy just crazy.